All right, page 2, right? Okay. Okay, so as I explained, integers are the set of whole numbers, both positive and negative, including 0. Those are called integers. Integers, as I mentioned to you in the warm-up, in the little demonstration, cannot be fractions, cannot be decimals. So circle the values below that are integers. Let's do it together. Yes or no for 9? 12.5. Negative 120. Positive 1/8. Positive 325. Yeah, it's whole number. Negative 17.6. 12 and 3/4. A little tricky one for you. Ready? Watch, watch. 5/1. Yes, because if you can simplify it into an integer, you're still going to want to circle it. Okay? So don't automatically assume all fractions are not going to be integers. I can also do this too. Ready? 12/6. It's equal to 2, so technically, since it has a value of 2, it would be an integer. Okay, understanding integers on a horizontal number line. Integers can be placed on a number line as shown below. We kind of did that as the live demonstration up here. All numbers to the left of 0, as we mentioned, are negative integers. All numbers consequently to the right are positive. Okay. Numbers to the left of 0 are less than 0, and all numbers to the right of 0 are greater than. What two values are being shown on your number line? By the little points. -3, +3. Now, when we express positive integers, we don't need to put a little plus sign. It's assumed that if a number or an integer, even a rational number, has no symbol before it, no negative symbol before it, it's assumed to be positive. That's just the way it gets written. Okay, how do we actually determine what's called opposite integers? The two values are the same distance from 0, but in opposite directions. So I'm kind of going through this kind of quickly. The relationship between the two values is they are equal to 0, but in opposite directions. Equal in distance to 0. Not equal to 0, equal in distance. They are equal in distance to 0, but in opposite directions. So integers that have the same distance from 0 on opposite sides are called opposite integers. And there are also opposite rational numbers as well. We'll get to it. But for now, what's the opposite of the integers listed here? -6, the opposite would be, do we need the little plus sign? Absolutely not. -44. 19. Negative 2,155. 618. 0. 0. Yep, yep. There's no such thing as -0. 0 is neither assumed to be positive nor negative, just so you know. Okay? Let's just do a couple of these. I mean, we're up against the bell, but I did want to get to this page. So we got to take the value of -8, and we've got to plot it on the number line. Well, starting from 0, which direction am I going, left or right? -8, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's nothing wrong with making a little loop-to-loos. I think it helps. Make a point on the line. Some kids like to float it in space. That's not the way we do it. And you put -8. What about 4? Left or right? How many leaps from 0? 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop the nail. Put the number. Integer. The opposite of -11 is +11. 11 to the left or right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Do D and E and we'll call it a day.